Hi, wherever you're joining me, I hope you're doing well. Welcome to India Tech Report, a podcast dedicated to chronicling and supporting the growth of India's deep tech and climate tech ecosystems. I'm Hariharakli, and this is a news brief. So let's get started. India will invest 4,500 crore rupees to modernize and expand the government-run Semiconductor Laboratory in Mohali in Punjab, targeting a 100-fold increase in wafer production while ruling out privatization, Electronics and IT Minister Ashwini Vaishnav said during a site visit. SCL will support chip fabrication for students, startups, and defense-linked agencies as part of a broader push for indigenous semiconductor capability, according to a statement from the ministry. Mixx Technologies, a US-based deep tech startup founded by specialists from Intel and Broadcom, has raised $33 million in Series A funding led by ICM HPQC Fund alongside TDK Ventures, Systemic Capital and others. The capital will accelerate development of its HBX-IO silicon integrated optical engine, boost global R&D, including in India, and drive adoption of high-efficiency AI infrastructure platforms. Lightspeed Photonics has raised $6.5 million in a pre-Series A round led by Pi Ventures to scale its solderable optical interconnects for AI and high-performance computing data centers. The Bengaluru-based startup claims 4x faster data transfer and roughly 2x lower power use than existing links, and plans to split the fund between R&D and commercial pilots through 2026. US startup Reditus Space has raised $7.1 million in seed funding to build ENOS, a reusable reentry spacecraft aimed at fast turnaround missions for microgravity research and in-space manufacturing, Payload Space reports. The first ENOS flight, targeting a SpaceX rideshare next summer, will carry a pharma payload, re-enter at over Mach 24, and test hardware designed for 20-plus missions and 40-kilogram payloads. IonQ has struck an investment and technology partnership with Canada's Centre for Commercialization of Regenerative Medicine to apply hybrid quantum and quantum AI tools to bioprocess optimization, disease modeling, and advanced therapy manufacturing. IonQ becomes core tech partner across CCRM's global network, with initial quantum biotech projects in Canada and Sweden slated for 2026. Meanwhile, Denmark's Sparrow Quantum has raised 27.5 million euros in Series A funding in what it calls Scandinavia's largest quantum tech investment to scale production of its Sparrow Core single-photon chip for room-temperature photonic quantum systems. The company plans to expand manufacturing and develop next-generation devices based on Niels Bohr Institute research, aiming to become a leading quantum chip supplier for European and global markets. Here in India, Vayavya Labs, a software engineering company, has signed an MOU with IIT Kanpur incubated SimDaaS Autonomy to co-develop simulation-led tools for autonomous driving, ADAS, and AI-based virtual validation. The partners will combine digital twin, virtual electronic control units, and traffic scenario simulation capabilities to accelerate virtual testing for complex Indian conditions and export solutions to global mobility markets. To end today's brief, scientists have identified a previously unknown intermediary lion roar that occurs alongside the classic full-throated call, using AI to sort thousands of recordings with about 95% accuracy. The added vocal signature can improve passive acoustic monitoring, helping estimate lion numbers and track individuals more reliably as wild populations fall to roughly 20,000 to 25,000 across Africa. That's it for today. You can find links to all the headlines in the show notes, wherever you get your podcasts. To support my work, please subscribe to my posts at indiatechreport.in. I'm Hari Arakli. Thank you for listening.